Hey guys, today's song is Mayeran. Mayeran in English means marjoram, which is a specific type of herb. Now, how does this song sound like? Here we go. For those who want to learn how to play this on the accordion, let's start with the right hand. Now the left hand. We'll start with the ring finger on C and the middle finger on C major. So that's how the song sounds like. Now let's take a look at the lyrics. Majeran, Majeran, zeleny Majeran, povidayut, že sobi vyberam. Marjoram, marjoram, green marjoram, they say that I'm to choose my husband. Kjeba dali išče raz vybrati, znala by ja komu ručku dati. If only they gave me another chance to choose, I would know to whom to give my hand in marriage. Ne dala bym tomu shuhajove, lembum dala svomu frajerjove. I wouldn't give my hand to that young guy over there, but I would give my hand to my boyfriend. Now to know how the song is sung, I'll sing the first verse. Majeran, Majeran, zeleny Majeran. Majeran, Majeran, zeleny Majeran. Povidayut, 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 že sobi vyberam, že sobi vyberam. Povidayut, 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 že sobi vyberam, že sobi vyberam. And that's Mayeran. In the description below, I'll include sheet music as well as lyrics to the song. That's all for today, guys. See you next time.